Okay. Hello.
Linda and Veronica with our spiffy new baby carrier. Ta-da! Say hello, honey.
Sag grüßi.
This is really close to our house, just sort of across the street a little bit, but we're climbing up and maybe show a little bit of the scenery. Here we are. Look, Granny.
You're on camera.